Door assembly in the cabinet with hidden top track. The distance from the front edge of the cabinet's top panel to the front edge of the sidewall has to be 14 mm on the inner door side, 53 mm on the outer door side. Fix the top track in a parallel line with the front edge of the cabinet's roof. Install the bottom track. It can be fixed by double-sided tape or other methods. In the description below, you can find the link to a video which is showing various installation options. Install the inner door first. Insert the inner door's brackets in the inner top track. After that, insert the bottom wheels into the bottom's track omission. Install the outer door after. Insert the outer door's brackets in the outer top track. To adjust the door vertically, tighten or untighten the adjustment screw of the bottom roller. The roller has an anti-jumping mechanism, which prevents the wheel from falling out of the track. After adjustment, fix the bottom wheel's screw nut. For door positioning, use a soft closer or top rail positioner. You can also check the related installation video, link in the description below. You can also use a silicone strip for the bottom track in Nova system for a smoother movement of the door. Link to the relevant installation video in the description. Check the door. It should fit tightly against the walls of the cabinet and move smoothly and quietly along the tracks.